Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet corn with canned corn. First, drain your canned corn very well. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add the drained corn to the skillet and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, season your delicious sweet corn with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper to your liking. It is a simple and quick side dish. To elevate the flavor of your sweet corn, try adding a few extra ingredients. Stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream for a wonderfully richer and more luxurious texture. A small pinch of sugar can really enhance the corn's natural sweetness without making it overly sweet. For a fresh touch, mix in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley. A dash of paprika also adds a subtle, warm, and smoky note. For a truly indulgent and creamy sweet corn, here is a fantastic variation. After cooking your corn, combine it with 1/8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. Add about 1/4 cup of milk to help create a smooth, luscious sauce. Continue to cook over low heat, stirring until the cream cheese is completely melted and fully incorporated. Finish by stirring in 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese for extra depth. Sweet corn is an incredibly versatile side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. Garnish your finished corn with some fresh chives or cilantro for a pop of color and extra flavor. Remember to keep your heat on medium-low when cooking to prevent any scorching or sticking. Always taste and adjust your seasonings, like salt and pepper, to perfectly suit your personal preference. Enjoy your delicious homemade sweet corn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.